You want me to come over so we can eat? You try to make me fat.
No, I won't, baby. I love you.
You got to hit me up. Guys, girl gifts, of course. With my Christian LaCroix. Yes, true.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing this fabulous and vampy and dark smoky eye with a neutral lip. It has been a while since I've done a full face of makeup that was not for a photo shoot. We'll get into that. We're chatting all the things, life updates, what's going on. You guys want to see how I got this amazing look? Then please keep watching. I'm so excited for this video because I recently wore makeup for a photo shoot. You guys will see that vlog in a few weeks. And it just made me so excited to do makeup again. And I got such a great positive response from the last time I shared a get ready with me. So here we are again. You all know that I always start with my brows done just because they take so long to do. I will be filming an updated brow routine. My Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, a must-have. I love it so much. You all know that I'm not even a setting spray kind of gal, but it just, it makes you look so smooth and perfected. I love it. Okay, so I'm actually going to apply eyeshadow today, so I'll be using my favorite eyeshadow primer. And you guys, guess what is coming up? I am so excited. The Sephora sale. I've already started building my cart and finalizing it, because if you're anything like myself, you go through about 4 or 5 revisions of your cart because I'm a Sephora addict. So I'm excited about that. Let me know down below if you plan on shopping the Sephora sale. I have already started compiling my recommendations as well. I do want to try to find some cool makeup because I would like to say I'm getting a little more into makeup, but I guess we'll see what happens. But new makeup is always fun. So for today's video, I'm going to be using my Master Palette by Mario. And you all know that I always lay my first transitional shade. So I'm going to use Isabel. It's actually like a red tone brown. And this is just going to give me an all over smooth base and canvas for the other shadows that I'm going to apply subsequently. I'm so excited to do this get ready with me, you guys. It just feels like so fun to just get ready with you all. And we're gonna talk about all things going on right now, like gas prices and the fact that I was ready to step outside and be like outside again. And then little Miss Gas prices crept on up. And let me tell you, I am not one of those people who, this is how I feel. Everybody's in a different position. I live by a budget. Everybody else may not. I'm not here to tell you what to do. When gas prices double, that means my budget is off balance and I have to take from other things. So yes, while it is not an inconvenience where I am choosing between eating and driving somewhere, this is enough to really throw a lot of people's lives into a fury. And I just really hope that they lessen a bit, although it looks like it is not predicted to do so anytime soon. I just know that for a lot of people, having one of your bills double, that could send you into a hardship. So no, I'm not saying that like my pockets are crying because of this, but I know one thing, I'm not going out. And I had just started going out a little bit, or becoming okay with the idea of going out. But the way gas prices are set up, if I'm not already out, don't ask me to hang out. Don't ask me to go anywhere unless you're going to come and pick me up or send an Uber to come get me and bring me back home. So yeah, I'm back inside for the spring, I guess. It's not ideal, but I had a choice and I chose to save my money. I definitely can't wait to hang out a little bit this spring and summer, maybe like once a week. I can't wait to see my friends again. Summertime just makes me feel like let's get dolled up and go out. Even though right now in Atlanta this morning I stepped outside and it was snowing. First film 2 videos. What do you want to do?
Nothing. I wanted to, I was thinking about cooking some food.
Can't you cook food tomorrow?
I am. I'm cooking tomorrow. I'm making turkey wings.
You want me to come over so we can eat? You try to make me fat.
No, I won't, baby. I love you.
Well, I will let you know what time I get done filming. But can't we just do this tomorrow?
Yeah.
But you want to do it today?
Yeah, we can.
Why don't you just cook once instead of cooking twice?
just cook tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, and I have to see, then I won't be able to come tomorrow.
Stop. Yeah, I know.
See, you guys? Talking about, come over, I want to cook for you. I said, are you paying for my gas? He said yes. Well, princess treatment always. So I told him if I am done filming in a reasonable time, then mama will slide through so you can cook for her. But anyway, where were we? I don't know, probably talking about gas prices. Let's get to this eye makeup though. I want to do something a little fun and jazzy because, you know, even though it snowed today, like I'm feeling very spring and summery. So I'm going to use the color Paris and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I feel like I should bring you guys in a little bit. Let's get closer. Ooh, I didn't think it would be that bronzy. That's okay. I'm trying to think of the last makeup tutorial I did, but you all really enjoyed it. So just like always, I want to thank you guys for your positive feedback, for all of your encouragement, you know, just all the time. Because I base what videos I'm going to continue to do on my analytics and the response from you all. And so many of you lovely ladies and gentlemen wanted me to continue doing makeup tutorials and get ready with me videos. So that's what I am doing. Now for the outer corner, I want to use this green shade, which is called Bronx. And I'm just going to put that in like a V. He really probably wants me to come over because he likes what I've all made up. Y'all, I cannot. Oh boy. Okay, but we're gonna put Bronx in our outer V. And y'all know the makeup looks I do are always easy because she doesn't like spending a lot of time on makeup. Now I'm gonna go back into that first brush that I used with Isabel. And I'm gonna bring that transitional shade a little higher. I love a good transitional shade, y'all. And I remember when I was first starting off doing makeup, I wasn't using a transitional shade, but I was using a highlight shade up there. And I think it was a frosty matte color. Biscuit, not biscuit. I don't know, but if you're an OG YouTube watcher of tutorials from like over a decade ago, you know what I'm talking about. Those were the days. Like I used to go to MAC events with my friends. I actually met some like really large YouTubers at the time. Like it was really, really fun. And then I fell out of love with makeup, but I'm really trying to get back into it. I will say this. Getting all dolled up really does make me just feel so amazing. So even if I'm not doing fun makeup, I do like just, you know, putting on something. It's nice. Okay, next up, my favorite foundation, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation, and I'm using it on my palette just because I don't want to get my hand messed up. And y'all, this is my favorite foundation of the moment. The coverage is just so good. And clearly, I need all the coverage that I can get. Tonight, I'll be a naughty girl. I really don't know if I want to go out tonight. I mean, even though I'll just be at his house and we're not going out. Send an Uber. Send an Uber. I feel like the majority of people that I hang out with here don't drive. And it's not because they don't drive, they just don't drive. You know what I mean? Like they can drive, they just don't. And so I get sick of driving. Send me an Uber. He will send me one if I ask for one. But also, like, who likes to do makeup and then sit in the house? You know, it's kind of fun just to be out and about. This is one layer of foundation. Now, obviously, I'm gonna go back and touch it up in areas where I need more. That's my biggest tip for getting full coverage out of your foundation. You don't necessarily need to put full coverage everywhere. Just put it where you need it. That way you don't have on a ton of foundation. Unless, of course, you want to. And there's your niece. Someone must be in front of the house. My baby. Okay, so that is about 2.5 pumps of foundation. Now I'm going in with my favorite concealer, and I will probably need to pick up another one during the Sephora sale. And I like to bring it up to the side because it helps create like a crisp line under your eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna let this marinate a bit. And we're gonna listen to some jams. Jams! Oh, yes. No.
Sorry, didn't notice you there. And I didn't even notice me. Till the next time we speak, I hope that I can make you mine. While another man steals your heart, and this little beauty is mine. You'll never be apart. Walks by every beauty is her name. I hope that I can meet your mind. I'm another man steals your heart. Yes, this beauty is mine. Never be apart.
Now y'all know we were gonna break it down a bit. I love a good song and dance moment. Oh, there's something else I want to do this summer. I want to do karaoke. Right before the pandemic, I was supposed to have a huge karaoke party for my birthday, but then of course the pandemic, and I didn't want people in my house like that. So I haven't had my birthday party, and I vacillate all the time like whether or not I still want to do it. But I love karaoke, and I was gonna have such a big, amazing karaoke party with all of my friends, and I'm kind of sad thinking about it. Oh my gosh. So you see how that concealer just gives me like loose setting powder from Laura Mercier, my fave. I set my entire complexion because I am oily and I don't want my makeup moving at all. Let's do some bronzer. I'm going to use my favorite bronzer, my Charlotte Tilbury. Love, love, love. I mean, we love a chiseled cheek. And excuse my blemishes, you all. The woes of having hormonal acne and being stressed. It's not a beautiful thing, but it is what it is. I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Isn't that what Mariah Carey said? I think so. And I put my bronzer on my chin, my jawline, under my cheekbones, and on my forehead and across the bridge of my nose. Bronzer is really, really important for me. I always put a little bit of extra setting powder on my laugh lines because I need filler. I was talking with a family member this past week and I was telling them that I want to get lip filler for my birthday. I really want to get my eyebrows micro shaded and lip filler. Now I'm thinking I'll just do one because everybody is like kind of anti the lip filler. And I know, definitely get what you feel is best, but I want my top lip to be bigger. So I think I'm gonna do it. I did, however, have a consultation for skin removal surgery, and my doctor and I both mutually decided that I should wait until I finish losing weight because I have horrible skin elasticity anyway. So if I get skin removal surgery now, and you can actually get quite a few procedures being a plus size woman, if I get the surgery I want now, in 40 pounds, which is like my ultimate goal of weight loss, which with how my life's going right now, it probably won't happen anytime soon. But when I do finally reach that goal, I'm just gonna have more loose skin. And he said that the scars are pretty intense. So I also scar very easily. So he recommended that I wait until I lose my weight. But I really wanted to get some skin removal surgery this year, but that won't be happening. I was kind of bummed about it, but I would rather have a doctor who thinks about like the overall look that I'm gonna be most appreciative of and my health versus just taking my money and doing whatever. So that's what's happening with that. So I figured if I don't get my skin removal surgery, I at least want to get my lips done. And I want to take you guys with me. So we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna do it. And if I have to pick eyebrows over lips, I'm picking lips because I can always draw my eyebrows on like I do now. And in that video where I told you guys that I wanted to get my lips done, so many of you had such a great experience. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now let's put on lashes. I'm going to use my magnetic lashes because honey, that's easiest. We'll be right back.
Hey yo, shorty, won't you come get a bag of the Rico? I'll be undressed in the bra, all see-through. Period. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you.
Shall I proceed? Yes, indeed. You got to hit me off. Guys, girl, gifts, of course. With my Christian LaCroix. Yes, true.
I'm now going to apply my mascara. You all, this Bite Beauty mascara is my favorite. Now I'm applying this even though I'm going to put on lashes because this just helps the lashes blend more seamlessly. Now I also removed my moles. Y'all know that's a little trick that I do to make it appear as if I have on less makeup than I actually have on. Oh, my eyes feel so heavy. Something is really tight over here, but that's okay. Okay, for blush, I'm going to use NARS Savage because it is so freaking pretty. It is a brown girl staple. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm going to spray my makeup setting spray. I just live for a good misting moment. Look how much I've used, you guys. This is everything. I also have a travel size one. And cool off, cool off. What is wrong with me? Okay, and for my lips, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Trendsetter. I was gonna do a red lip, but if I go out today, I don't wanna look, you know. I'm gonna keep it a little natural. This is like a perfect brown girl nude. I'm gonna let this liquid lipstick dry down and take my hair out and change clothes, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I love my makeup so much. I just feel so amazingly beautiful and fabulous. Like, it's amazing how much just putting a little extra effort in just helps you feel that much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Everything is linked down below. Let me know what you guys think. I would actually wear this out if I do go out later tonight, but this was just so fun. And I love that I got a pretty smoky eye and a lash, and I didn't have to spend 30 minutes doing eye makeup. That makes it even better for sure. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.